The journey begins with carefully selected mature bamboo, harvested for premium bamboo textile production. Each bamboo stalk is harvested at the ideal maturity to produce exceptionally soft textile fibers. Fresh bamboo arrives at the factory, where its transformation into luxury home textiles begins. Inside the factory, every bamboo stem enters a carefully controlled production line. The extracted pulp moves to the purification stage. Powerful washing systems remove dust and natural impurities before processing. Every bamboo stem is carefully inspected to ensure premium raw material quality. Precision cutting prepares the bamboo for efficient fiber production. The bamboo is reduced into uniform chips for the next manufacturing stage. Uniform bamboo chips ensure efficient cellulose extraction. Now the bamboo begins its transformation into purified textile fiber. The first factory process thoroughly washes every bamboo log to remove dirt, dust, and natural impurities. Every bamboo log is carefully inspected before entering the cutting department. Precision cutting creates perfectly sized bamboo sections for efficient processing. Accurate cutting ensures consistent raw material for the next production stage. The prepared bamboo moves continuously toward the chipping department. Powerful chipping machines produce uniform bamboo chips for efficient fiber extraction. Uniform chip size is essential for producing premium bamboo cellulose. Only perfectly sized bamboo chips continue through the production line. The prepared bamboo chips are stored briefly before fiber extraction begins. The bamboo is now ready for the most important stage, transforming natural bamboo into soft textile cellulose. Measured bamboo chips enter the pulping reactors, where cellulose extraction begins. Heat and controlled processing gradually separate valuable cellulose from the bamboo. The bamboo structure slowly transforms into a cellulose-rich pulp. Continuous mixing creates a uniform cellulose solution. Advanced filtration removes unwanted particles to improve fiber quality. Only highly purified cellulose continues through production. Every production batch is tested to ensure consistent quality. Exact chemical balance prepares the cellulose for fiber formation. Vacuum treatment creates a perfectly smooth spinning solution. The purified cellulose now moves toward fiber production. Preparation tanks ensure stable conditions before spinning begins. Final purification removes even microscopic impurities. The solution is now ready to become continuous bamboo fibers. The factory prepares for one of its most advanced manufacturing stages. Every production parameter is monitored in real time. Everything is now ready for continuous fiber spinning. The purified solution approaches the fiber forming system. Everything is now ready for continuous fiber spinning. The next stage transforms bamboo cellulose into ultra-soft textile fibers. The purified bamboo cellulose is transformed into thousands of continuous textile fibers. The liquid cellulose becomes stable bamboo fibers through controlled processing. Each filament is carefully formed to ensure exceptional softness and strength. Precise alignment creates uniform fibers for premium yarn production. Stretching increases fiber strength while maintaining its natural softness. Every fiber is carefully refined for maximum quality. Advanced monitoring guarantees consistent fiber dimensions. Millions of meters of bamboo fiber are produced every day. Freshly formed fibers move to their first purification stage. Careful washing removes every remaining processing residue. Multiple washing stages ensure perfectly clean bamboo fibers. Gentle rinsing protects the delicate structure of each fiber. Excess water is removed before controlled drying begins. Warm air dries the fibers while preserving their softness. Carefully controlled drying prevents fiber damage. The fibers are now clean, dry, and ready for mechanical preparation. Perfect moisture content is essential for spinning premium yarn. Uniform fiber bundles ensure smooth downstream processing. The prepared fibers now enter the opening and carding department. Next, the bamboo fibers will be opened, aligned, and prepared for spinning into premium bamboo yarn. The dried bamboo fibers are gently opened into soft, fluffy strands for further processing. Carding aligns millions of fibers into a perfectly uniform web. Perfect fiber alignment creates stronger and softer yarn. Drawing improves uniformity and prepares the fibers for spinning. Digital inspection guarantees precise fiber consistency.
The twist looks consistent on this batch.
Yes, the tension is holding steady. Good quality control here.
Check the spooling on that end. It's running smooth. Quality is holding up well today. .5 average, well within tolerance. Confirmed.
Next one.
The readout here is fluctuating.
So stable enough.
It's stable enough. The alignment is perfect.
The coating looks even here. Keep the speed steady.
Noted. The tension is holding up well on the beam.
The coating looks consistent here.
Okay.
Yes, the thickness is within tolerance.
The moisture levels are stabilizing now.
Good. The tension looks perfect at the exit rollers.
Tension is fluctuating on the left warp. Acknowledged. Adjusting the feeder mechanism now. That looks stable. Consistent coating achieved.
Bring it down easy on this side. Okay, I've got the panel ready. Lock it in. We're getting a slight irregularity on the blue thread. Okay, tuning the tension now. Looks good. No imperfections on the surface here. Agreed. We can clear this batch for cutting. Look here, section C.
Yes, I see the anomaly. It's within tolerance, but let's monitor it.
The alignment is off on this side. Right. Okay, let me adjust the tension. It should stabilize now.
Move that shipment to the finishing line.
Roger that. Diverting now.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge there. Looks good, boss. Quality is spot on.
The consistency is holding up well across the width. Yes, the emerald saturation is spot on. Keep the roller steady. The temperature in zone 3 is stable now. We are maintaining optimal moisture removal. Looks good. The output quality is consistent. There's a slight variation in the weave here. Yeah. Agreed. Let's make a note of the meter reading. The output on the duvet covers is slightly low. Let me adjust the laser speed here.
Looks perfect.
The stitching is flawless.
The finishing line processes thousands of linens daily, ensuring perfect quality through meticulous steam pressing and ironing.
Everything up to standard on the stitching. Yes, the texture feels correct too. We can pass this one.